Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Previously, we have seen that if a function is depending on time and two other, stochastic processes x and y, so Ito processes x and y, then we have seen that its differential by multidimensional Ito lemma is given by partial derivative of f with respect to t dt plus partial derivative of f with respect to x dx plus partial derivative of f with respect to y dy plus 1/2 second partial derivative of f with respect to x and plus 1/2 second partial derivative of f with respect to y dy square. So here I also have dx square multiplied, so I should have written plus mixed partial derivative of f with respect to y and x, so dx dy, right? So this is how my multidimensional Ito lemma for the function that depends on two Ito processes looks like. So now we will make use of this formula and we will derive quotient rule of stochastic differentiation for two stochastic Ito processes. This I will define a function f which is depending on x and y. Let's say f is x over y. So what I need, its derivative with respect to t, which is 0, its derivative with respect to x, which is 1 over y, its derivative with respect to y, which is going to be minus x over y square, and I also need derivative of x, second partial derivative of f with respect to x. So this is my notation. This means second partial derivative of f with respect to x. So I will differentiate the function which I have differentiated with respect to x. I will differentiate it again with respect to x. So it is going to be 0, and then partial derivative of y. So like I will take the second partial derivative of f with respect to y, which is going to be equal to minus 2x over y power 3. So this is usual differentiation in the sense of calculus 1. And then I also need the partial derivative of so fy. I will differentiate this fy with respect to x. So when I differentiate fy with respect to x, I will get minus 1 over y square. So now all that I need to do is to substitute these values in the above formula. Then my formula will be, so df, so my f is x over y, right? This should be equal to 0 dt plus, so partial derivative of f with respect to x, this is 1 over y, and dx plus partial derivative of f with respect to y, this is minus x over y square, dy, and plus 1 over 2 second partial derivative of f with respect to x, which is 0, dx square plus 1/2 second partial derivative of f with respect to y, which is minus 2x over y cube, dy square, and plus the second partial derivative of f with respect to y, and the next it is given by minus 1 over y square dx dy, right? So let's simplify it further. So it's going to be 1 over y dx minus x over y cube square dy, and then minus, so 2 gets cancelled with this 2, x over y cube dy square, and then minus 1 over y square dx dy, right? I've made a small mistake. So like when we were taking the second derivative of y, it should be in the plus. So I will also change over here. This is plus. So it is plus over here, and it should be plus over here. So like I will combine now this term, and this term together by taking 1 over, so like y square as in LCM or whatever you call it. So like it is y square sub t, let me write, then this is going to be y sub t dx sub t. So like I am putting now subscript at every process, minus x sub t dy sub t minus dx sub t multiply by dy sub t, and then plus, so I will take this term in the last, x sub t over y cube sub t multiply by dy sub t, square, and this is the differential of the quotient x sub t divided by y sub t. So my quotient rule for the two Ito processes is given by following. So my quotient rule finally should look like x sub t divided by y sub t differential is equal to y sub t dx sub t minus x sub t dy sub t minus dx sub t times dy sub t divided by y square sub t plus x sub t y cube sub t dy sub t square, right? So this is going to be the quotient rule for the stochastic difference.